Is your downloader app refusing to download files on Fire TV Stick? This video delivers the instant fix you need right now to solve those frustrating download errors. First, let's tackle method 1, clearing the downloader app cache. Corrupt temporary files often cause these issues, so go to your Fire TV settings, then Applications, Manage Installed Applications, find Downloader and select Clear Cache. Confirm this, then restart your Fire TV Stick. This often resolves minor software glitches. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system resources, which brings us to method 2, checking your Fire TV Stick storage. Low storage can prevent downloads, so head to Settings, My Fire TV, About, and check available space. Uninstall unused apps or delete old files to free up critical room. Next up, method 3 addresses network problems. A shaky connection frequently causes downloads to fail. In Settings, go to Network, forget your current Wi-Fi, and then reconnect, ensuring you enter the password correctly. Restarting both your router and Fire TV can establish a fresh, stable connection. Finally, if all else fails, method 4, reinstalling the downloader app. Sometimes the app itself becomes corrupted, so uninstall it from Manage Installed Applications and then reinstall it from the App Store. This ensures you have a clean, fresh install, making your Fire TV Stick downloader app work perfectly again. Don't let download failures stop you.